Here's Keith under the car. Here's Corey. What? Is something wrong? There's Dad working on the engine.
Oh, look, there's sun on it now.
Oh, let me know when this thing's gonna drop.
Well, it shouldn't drop suddenly, right? It's foolish.
I don't appreciate filming.
Mom's making me do it. I'm sorry.
I'm kidding with you, Annie.
As much as I enjoy this is they're hard.
You guys should like watching a greasy guy underneath the car, don't you?
It's Mom, not me.
Coming down?
Ah, okay, that's it. Oh, I see the nuts on the cable. There. Let's hope it fits. It might not. Oh, you're supposed to rotate it the other way, dummy. It's like they think.
How heavy is this thing?
Oh, I don't know.
More than you can bench, Steve.